Hi my friends, thank you for tuning in. Welcome to Mavic channel. In this video we will do two range tests, and the reason I'm doing two is because I did a range test for the Mavic Air 2 that I have right here. I did a range test with it and I had a very poor range. So we will go to two locations. I am at the lake right now, as you can see, and we will do one here and I'll go to another location and I'll do another one. So let's see if we can beat the 1.4 miles that we did yesterday. And stay tuned, enjoy, leave a comment below, and I'll see you. If you've not yet subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you later on. Thank you. Without wasting much time here, let me get to the maximum flight altitude
Maximum flight altitude reached.
Okay. Let me see. I think I would do 384. That looks much more comfortable. And let's get on the way. Let's see how far we're gonna go this time around. Hopefully we beat our last record. Okay, smooth ride. We are almost at 2,000 feet. And it is more going smoothly, no interference, no trouble at all. I hope I am not jinxing myself. We are now approaching 5,000 feet, no problem at all, no issues, no interference, nothing at all. It has been a smooth ride thus far. So let's keep going, let's keep going. Almost 9,000 feet. There you go, first interference. For a moment there it flashed weak signal. So we are beginning to oh yes, again. But let's push forward. Let us keep going. Let us keep going. No problem. Let's keep going. Let's go till it decides not to go no more. But this is actually a very good range right here. Yeah. The weak signal flash at the top of the screen is now more rampant. But we have, as you can see there at the top right corner, we are still connected to 17 satellites. So everything is okay for now when it as concerns satellites. So the drone knows exactly where it's at, and it still knows where its home point is. So let us keep going. Okay. I think we've reached the limit. Let me see here. Let me do a return to home, or let's keep going a little bit. Let me try and see if we can go further. I am trying to go further. It is not bulging. It is not moving. Okay, let me try to return home since it will not go anywhere any further. Remote control signal lost. Okay. Whoa. Well, let me try again and see. Weak signal. Let me see. Return home. This is strange. It still is not moving. Wow, let me try return home again. Aircraft not connected. Jesus. What in the world is going on? Now the icon on the left wants you to take off, but I'm not gonna do that because the last time it was this. Oh, okay. Okay, it's picking up some signal now. It's picking up some signal now. Yep, it's picking up some signal now. It's still in the air. Okay. Wow, it is returning home. My goodness. Woo! Man. Man, that was heart-wrenching. I thought I had lost that drone. Wow. Yep, it is coming back slowly but surely. Weak signal. Yes, 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 yes. This is one frightening range test right here. Yep. But everything seems to be working properly. DJI Mavic Air 2 is a beast. I am not going to tell you no lie. This machine is built to last. Man. When I get home, I am going to lift up a glass to this drone, man. Almost 100 feet. Come home, baby. Come home. Come home. Yes. Yes, 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 yes.
Landing.
Let us bring this bird down, man. Woo! Woo! How frightening was that, my friend? How frightening was that? I thought I had lost that drone. I'm not gonna tell you a lie. I had already counted my losses on that one.